Thanks to all the guys on the net for the answers I'm about to give you. Read the text and I'll walk you through step by step. Firstly, put your receiver into bind mode, S-bus, not CPPM. Please pause this video at any time you want. I bound in D16 mode, Frsky X, 16 channels with telemetry. You need your failsafe to be set to no pulses. Before going into BETAFLIGHT, set your inputs and your mixes. Now you're bound, click Discover New Sensors. You'll see four new telemetry readings. The one we're interested in is Rssi. You can see mine's in percent. I'll show you how to change it now. Stop the discovery of the sensors and click on Rssi. You will now have the sensor ID page. Change it to custom. Change the unit to percent and precision 0 point or 0.0, whatever you like. Okay, you can see at the top it's now reading 88%. Now go back to your mixes page, set your RSSI to channel 8, which relates to aux4 in BETAFLIGHT. Edit channel 8, set your source to RSSI, set your weight to 200, offset -100%. Now go to your output page and reverse channel 8. Now let's go to BETAFLIGHT and we'll set our serial via UART and our receiver to S-bus. You should now see a flickering on aux4. Notice my value is low because of the reverse channel, but this is the only way I could make it work properly. So now save everything you do, reboot, and you should see your RSSI value, mine's saying 100%, in your setup page. Now to the failsafe. Look at your values on your transmitter and in BETAFLIGHT and set your failsafe. Don't set it on hold, set it to set and put a high value I've put 2100 because you don't want a micro failsafe going off and it then just dropping. I hope you're not bored yet, guys. Lastly, go to your OSD and set your DBI to on. And one more thing, guys, as I didn't set my ADDICT filter to on. You can see there, and it all works. And here's a video clip just showing you it all working. Cheers. Ha 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 ha!